In this video, we'll use ChatGPT as Python interpreter, so as a REPL of some sort. So our queries act as a Python interpreter, we'll type code, and you will reply how a Python interpreter would do. I want you to reply only with the terminal output inside a single code block and nothing else. No explanation. So our first command is we establish a list full of fruits. And of course, there is no output because we didn't put any print. And now we perform the list comprehension, and his behavior is that it actually outputs the result. However, we didn't explicitly print the new list like we did here. So sometimes ChatGPT goes creative and offers something we didn't want, but let's check whether it can perform any Numpy. So any imported libraries operations. So we import Numpy as NP. Again, nothing in the output because there's supposed to be no printout in the output. And here we print the Numpy array. Very simple one, but here we go. You can import libraries and perform other operations with these imported libraries.